Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add a longer video on Messenger story. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you will find the option Create Story at the top left side of the screen. Tap on Create Story, and here you will just simply select the story. I can tell you the Messenger only allows the 20 seconds video that you added in a story. If the video is long for 20 seconds, you can just simply upload it into the parts, and this is the way you can upload a long story on Messenger. I can select this video. You can see only 20 seconds video is uploaded on my story. After tap on save, you can just simply repeat the same process and select the next 20-second story, and this is the way you can upload story into parts. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.